Yeah, boys and girls, welcome back. I haven't done a video in ages. My apologies, I just have been caught up in a few things, but I'm gonna make a video today because I bought a new car. I haven't introduced it to YouTube yet, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw it. It's a pretty special car. You can probably see it in the background there. I still have the S15. Haven't really done much to it or driven it. You're gonna see in a hot minute why. But let me show you the new car. Here she is. I know it's not yellow. There's the S15. I know it's not yellow, but it's a car I've actually been wanting for ages. It's obviously a BMW. It's a M3 F80, if you guys don't know or not familiar with the car. Yeah, I've just been wanting one of these cars for ages, and like, just look at it. It's fucking, this one came up and I loved it, so I had to send it. And you know what? They look pretty good together. It came on these wheels that I'm actually selling. If you follow my Instagram, you're gonna see like how they looked on the car, but I wasn't like, I love the wheels, I just don't like the color. Like the bronze with the grey didn't go. I feel like this is way cleaner. But I'm gonna get new wheels for this car anyways, so I'll document it all. I want to do so many things to it, but in time, I'm just enjoying it right now, getting used to it and all that fun stuff. Let me show you, what can I show you on this car? It has so many carbon parts. So you got carbon, the wing mirror caps, we got carbon roof, carbon side extensions, carbon front lip with like the ducts and stuff, the blacked out grills. We've got the, I don't even know what like that is, but it's some badge, I don't even know. Anyways, I've painted the calipers gold. They were like a green before, but I painted them gold. Do I have the keys? Let me have a look. Oh, it's got a diffuser. Let me show you the diffuser first. That's the diffuser. Carbon as well. It's a LCI, so it's got the LCI tail lights, carbon wing on the back, M3. It's a competition as well. Let me get the keys. I don't even know where I put the keys, to be honest. I think they're here. Yeah, baby. Oh, look. 1 second. Give it a sec. You're gonna see now. This is part of the reason why I bought it. There you go. It's got the yellow DRLs. I fucking love that. It looks sick. Anyways. Oh, this is the interior. I've got a footy in here. I've put these floor mats in from the lowdown. They're fucking sick. They look so good in the car. I could give it such a clean look. But everything in here is carbon. It's got the competition steering wheel, competition seat, so it is a competition. Yeah. So far so good with this car. I actually really love it. I've been driving it everywhere. Fuck, look at me. I'm fucking jacked now as well. I don't know, ever since I got an M3, I think I've gotten more jacked. But yeah, should I give it a start up? It's pretty fucking loud. I want to clean. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a video of me washing it because it needs a wash. You're probably gonna say it doesn't need a wash, but if I go close, look at that. Oh, you can't really see it, but you know what? Let me show you the S15 and how dirty it is. Holy crap! I'm actually ashamed. I haven't driven this car in maybe a month, but it's just been sitting here, just building up. Look at this. It's a barn find now. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do today. Look at this. How the fuck did I make it over that hump? Anyways, I'm gonna clean this car and I'm gonna clean this car because I've actually installed this, which is a pressure cleaner that does snow foam, and this is a vacuum. So Giraffe Tools has sent me this. I actually have a code that you can get a discount in. Like, this is probably the most convenient thing I've ever like got. So it's a vacuum, and look, the car's right there. I've got a vacuum there. I've mounted it to the wall. I've got the washer here as well, so like it's all gonna go hand in hand. And this car definitely needs a clean inside. I don't think it's unlocked, but I can unlock it. Oh. God. Fuck, I've got the matching floor mats, but fuck, it looks so different in here compared to the M3. This definitely needs a clean. I need to vacuum it. Look at the floor. It's disgusting. Oh my god, I don't want to show you guys. First, I'm going to wash this car. I'm going to move it out. I'm going to bring this car down, wash it, and clean the inside as well. So, yeah, let's do it. What do you reckon? Alright, I didn't really dry it properly, but holy shit, look how fucking clean it is. This car's been ceramic coated and all that, so it's so easy to clean. One sec. Let me fucking have a look for a sec. Look how fucking clean it is. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but holy fuck, it looks so good when it's clean. Let me start it up. You guys are gonna hear it. Watch it. It has like a cold start. And it's so fucking loud. You'll hear it now. You ready? I'm fucking not ready. It scares me every time. That's with the valves closed. It's a little bit better with the valves closed. It's so fucking loud. The neighbors probably hate me, but it looks so good. Let's open up the gate and I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out so I can bring the S15 down. Alright, so this thing's all clean now. Finally. 20-year-old paint, huh? Not bad. But I'm gonna use this thing now. I actually haven't used it yet. But I'm assuming like it sucks up through there. And then at the bottom there's like room for it all to go. And then you can clean it out like with the buckles. But let's give it a go. It looks like it's gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna set this up and see if I can capture some videos of me. Have a look at that. A1 actually came out so good. It picked up everything I wanted. Let me put this straight. Fuck, it's actually a cracker vacuum. I'm super impressed with that. I'm gonna do the other side now. Probably won't record it, but geez, look how immaculate. Like, it sucked everything up. My floor mats came up like brand new. I do have a code for these guys. It's actually my Instagram label, Nathan Zarafa, so it'll save you on a few dollars if you want to purchase one. I'm pretty sure they're well worthwhile because you want your interior to be clean. But yeah, let's go to the other side. Honestly, I'm not even fucking around right now. This fucking vacuum is so good. Thank God. Like, I used to dread getting out the vacuum just to vacuum my car, but look how it came out. It's just so clean. Even the driver's side is tidy as. Like, it has heaps of power. It's convenient. I can't even recommend it enough. Look at that. What an interior. This has to be like the best Jap car interior ever. Chrome everything. You guys already have seen this car. But yeah, I think I might wrap it up here. I'm not going to do any more cleaning things, but look at these two cars together. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the M3 in the back, but I thought I wanted to introduce the M3, and I haven't moved the S15 in ages, so it was a good excuse for me to take it out of the driveway and give it a wash, give it a clean, and give it the love it deserves, I guess. I'm actually obsessed with this car. I've been driving it pretty much every day. I can't wait to do more things to it, so if you want to see more of this car, you're going to have to subscribe and support me a little bit because I need motivation to post, to be honest, but this car's so fucking hot. I really do miss it. I can't let go of this car ever. Like, this is my car. I'm gonna change the plates back to my original 200SX ones too, just to bring back the old vibes, you know what I mean? Again, thank you guys. Honestly, really appreciate you watching the video. Like I said, if you enjoy it, give me a like, give me a sub, give me a comment, tell me you like it, because it motivates me to actually do the videos. But for now, oh, the sun's bright. Peace out, boys.